This is the cheapest rugged phone with a 200MP camera. It is called the Hotwav Cyber 15. This phone costs just $160 guys on AliExpress. I'll put a link in the video description if you're interested. It's hard to believe that such a device would cost just $160 guys. It's hard to believe. Anyway, as regarding its top specs and features, well, let's just say that they are superb for its price. So without further ado, let's check them out. And personally, this is the best rugged phone from Hotwav. I wasn't expecting the brand to release such a rugged phone, although it is not a 5G rugged phone, but it is a rugged device with a 200MP camera guys, and it is the Samsung ISOCELL HP3 guys. You know, it has this giant module at the rear that contains the main 200MP camera, a rear display, a 24MP night vision camera, and an LED flash. And this is one of the lightest and thinnest rugged phones around. It has a thickness of just 12.8 millimeters and its weight 292 grams. Unfortunately, this device is not a 5G rugged device, but it is powered by the Helio G99, which is still a quite powerful processor, even though it's getting old. The device also has a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus teardrop display with an IPS LCD panel, and the refresh rate is 120 Hz. The phone has 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. It is backed by a 6280 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts fast charging. So the front-facing camera is 32MP. The phone runs on the Android 13 OS. In terms of protection, the phone is IP68 and IP69k compliant. It is also military-grade standard 810H certified. The phone's display is also protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So other features includes OTG, GPS, it has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and it supports face unlock. And the phone is offered in night black and bronzed gold colorways. So there you go guys, the Hotwav Cyber 15. Like I mentioned earlier, this is the cheapest rugged phone with a 200MP camera. Anyways, if you're interested in the Hotwav Cyber 15, there'll be a link in the video description. What are your thoughts about the Hotwav Cyber 15? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.